Is it safe to use the PlayStation 5 Slim in a vertical orientation, just like its big brother? Let's find out. We've already discussed the risks of using the original PlayStation 5 in a vertical position. But what about the Slim model? Sony's design choices suggest they favor a horizontal setup. So, why is that? The PlayStation 5 uses liquid metal to help cool the processor. Unlike regular thermal paste, liquid metal can shift over time. Some users who disassembled their consoles found that it had leaked, causing overheating and even oxidation on the processor. This leakage can lead to sudden shutdowns and performance issues. Many users have reported that their PS5s unexpectedly turn off when used vertically for long gaming sessions. Here's an interesting detail. Sony no longer includes a vertical stand with the PS5 Slim. While you can buy one separately, the fine print likely states that using it vertically is at your own risk. So, should you place your PS5 Slim vertically? While some users have no issues, the safest option is to keep it horizontal. If you must place it vertically, watch for signs of overheating like increased fan noise or sudden shutdowns. And that's it. I really hope this guide helped you out. If it did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Fix Netflix for more troubleshooting tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. We're here to help.